How to use polls in Microsoft Teams. Need quick feedback or consensus from your team in Microsoft Teams? Using polls is an efficient way to gather opinions or make group decisions. Let's create and use a poll on your iPhone. Open the Microsoft Teams app on your iPhone. Go to the specific chat or channel where you want to create a poll. Tap on the plus icon in the bottom left corner for more options, usually a 3-dot ellipsis located next to the message bar. This opens a menu of messaging, extensions and apps. Look for and tap a polling app or forms. If it's not there, you might need to add it first. Enter a question and add answer options. Adjust any settings like anonymous responses, then tap send to publish the poll to the chat or channel. You've successfully created a poll in Microsoft Teams. Let's try it out. Then tap on send. Gather feedback and make decisions efficiently. Like and subscribe for more Microsoft Teams communication tips.